The National Investigation Agency has made another major arrest in the Delhi blast case. A man named Soyab from Dhauj village in Faridabad is taken into custody. This makes him the seventh accused in the investigation. According to NIA, Soyab played an important role in helping the main attacker, Umar un Nabi, in the days leading up to the blast. Investigators say that Soyab provided Umar with a safe place to stay, helped him move around without drawing attention, and supported him with other practical needs. They also found that Soyab had been in close contact with Umar for at least 10 days before the explosion. The blast happened on 10th November near the Red Fort metro station. A car filled with explosives went off suddenly, causing 13 deaths and several injuries. The person driving the car was Umar un Nabi himself. He died in the explosion. Umar was not an ordinary suspect. He was a doctor and worked as an assistant professor at a university. His involvement shocked many people because of his professional background. The investigation has been moving quickly. The NIA believes the attack was not carried out by just one person. Instead, they suspect it was supported by a small network of people who gave Umar the confidence and resources to carry out the bombing. With Soyab's arrest, the number of people linked to this support network has now risen to 7. Each arrest is helping NIA piece together the full chain of events, like how Umar planned the attack, who helped him, and how the car bomb was prepared. The National Investigation Agency is also looking closely at whether any foreign links or larger groups were connected to the plot. For now, Soyab is being questioned to understand exactly what kind of help he provided and whether more people were involved. The agency believes this arrest will help them understand the bigger picture behind one of Delhi's most shocking attacks in recent years. The NIA has already arrested 6 close aides of Umar in connection with the attack. The agency claimed that the latest arrest has strengthened its understanding of the operational network behind the bombing. An NIA spokesperson said, the agency continues to pursue various leads in connection with the suicide bombing and has been conducting searches across states in coordination with the respective police forces in a bid to identify and track others involved in the gruesome attack. Those arrested earlier are alleged to be at the center of a white-collar terror module bursted by Jammu and Kashmir police along with their counterparts in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Investigations led to the Al Fallah University in Faridabad, where 2,900 kg of explosives were recovered.